Welcome to the ISSA Canada Power Hour, your go-to webinar series for invaluable insights and strategies across the cleaning and facility maintenance industry. Each month, we bring together industry experts to share actionable tips, emerging trends, and best practices to help professionals in all sectors elevate their organizations. Whether you're looking to enhance your business operations, sharpen your leadership skills, or improve service delivery, Power Hour has you covered. Our sessions feature presentations from subject matter experts, giving you the knowledge you need to excel in a competitive industry. Plus, with interactive Q&A formats, you'll have the chance to engage directly with the experts. The goal of Power Hour is simple: to empower cleaning professionals with the knowledge and skills they need to stay ahead of industry trends and raise the bar for cleaning standards. Join us each month and let's build a brighter, cleaner future together. Register now for the next ISSA Canada Power Hour webinar. Your success starts here.